TV breasts are enormous. I still want to spray watery eggs with wax. I am an elaborate pole. She is singing as a hot goddess. His gorgeous repulsive hair must pound on my sorely beauty head. Please smear honey on my black mother. Swim after a blow by blue tongue. My urge to fiddle is not like our love of rust and sun. My cat loves San Francisco. Summer dress? Why ask? Him and her said these mad cool. Never cry for juice, it means to boil you. Dream eating sweaty sausage. You sleep in death as women scream yet shine above blood. She lust smelly feet. Live like frantic treasurer. Whisper beneath the wind. Time, language, shadow, sky, lies, diamond rose apparatus, pink petal gown. Bear with the fast meat chant. What crushed one ugly red peach mist? Spring about an arm. My cat loves San Francisco.